Hey all, Lori here from Lori's World with a new recipe, classic twist on what I've already showed you before. We all know how to do breaded pork chops, but I'm going to show you a tastier way to do them. So if you'll sit back and enjoy and let me do the cooking for you, I hope you enjoy. All right, you're going to need pork chops. I have the bone in. You are going to need half a bag of cheese Doritos. That's right, I said cheese Doritos, guys. Spices of your choice. I got curry, my meat tenderizer, some roasted garlic and herbs, and some onion butter. You're going to need a couple beaten eggs with your seasonings inside. I also seasoned my meat and let it marinate all day in those spices and seasoning. All right. I also have a pan heating up with about a half-inch of oil, because when you cook these, you don't want it all underneath. You want to be able to flip it. So you only want enough to coat the bottom halfway. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these pork chops. We're going to dip them in the egg. And that's right. We're going to put them in the nacho cheese Dorito. This is going to be your breading. Instead of flour or breadcrumbs, we are using cheese Doritos tonight. Oh, yeah. Cheesy breaded pork chops. So let me get these done and I'll show you what they'll look like. And I'm just going to press these in really good. The marinade's still on there, and the egg should just help keep it. Make sure you press it down so that it coats both sides. Let me show you up close. Completely breaded. Now I'm just going to keep doing this till I have all my pork chops breaded. And then people ask, how would you know if your oil's hot? You're going to take your finger with some water and you toss it. If it pops up like it's doing and makes that noise, you know your oil is ready for you to put your meat in. So you turn it down to about medium, and then you go ahead and let's put these chops in the oil. All right, there they are. Nice and orange and pretty. And you just put them in the hot grease. And you just fry them up like you normally would your pork chops. You'll tell they're done when they're a nice golden brown when you go to flip them. All right, now let these cook and we'll be back. I'll show you what they should look like when I flip them. There you go. I have one without the breading for the dogs, but you see, golden brown. Oh, if you can smell the cheese with all those seasonings blended together. All right, so I'm going to finish cooking these, show you what they look like all plated up. There you have it. Nacho cheese Doritos, breaded, bone-in pork chops. And you tell me, does that not look good? So I'm going to cut one open and show you just how juicy. Now they're sitting on a plate resting in any excess grease to soak it up. So let me cut one open for you. Okay. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the juices as I'm squeezing, but watch. Look at that. All right, for this recipe and more, hope to see you at Lori's World. Have a blessed day.